Hi, this is Jennifer with the New Home Experts out here in Las Vegas. And today we're specifically looking at homes here in Summerlin priced at $625,000. This is a great opportunity to see what you can get in beautiful Summerlin, gorgeous master plan community, of course, at that $625,000 price. Let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about homes here in Las Vegas, then go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about homes here in Las Vegas. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make that dream a reality. So our first stop today, we are in a great location. We're essentially in what was called Summerlin Center. So we are super close to Red Rock Casino, really close to downtown Summerlin. Of course, all of that has to offer, as well as City National Arena, and of course the Las Vegas ballpark. So this is a great location if you really want to be close to everything Summerlin has to offer. This particular home was built in 2004. It's just over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's priced at that $625,000 price point we're talking about. Let's take a look inside. So now we are in the entryway. We just came through the front door. What I love here is you have a nice little foyer area, as well as you can see as you walk in over here in the formal dining room. You've got really nice high ceilings up here, which I really like. And you get all of this whole bay of windows as well. It does add in a lot of natural light, which is very nice. And because this home was built in 2004, you do have a home that's going to have a formal living room and a formal dining room. So if that's something that you like to have, again, some people still really like to have that formal dining room. This is a nice option for you, because if you go this way, you do have essentially your great room space over here. And I love these plantation shutters, and they can let in a lot more light as well. And of course, here you have your kitchen. You could definitely put in another dining table over here. Right now, they only have the chairs for the breakfast bar, but you could definitely add another table in here. And I love there's a lot of counter space. So in addition to the island, you've got this huge counter space as well. These are obviously the original finishes, but for over 2,400 square feet, $625,000, and of course being in this location, it's actually pretty well priced. Out here, I love that you get this nice mature landscaping, and you could definitely, if you chose to, put in a pool back here. But my son and I really liked the swing. But you could put a pool back here, but we liked the swing. And then upstairs, you have 3 additional bedrooms. I guess I'll finish downstairs first. I'm jumping ahead. Downstairs, you have a 3/4 bath down here, so it does have a shower. And then there's kind of an open den area down here. I think these floors, I would say they're pergo, which is sort of an older school kind of flooring, because it makes a noise when you walk. And that usually says that's pergo. Here it's tile. You've got a 3/4 bath there. And then over here, you have, this is used as an office, which I think works out well. And then it's kind of unique as well is that it's a 2-car garage, but the 2 cars are separated, so everyone gets their own bay. Here they have some stuff out here, but there's essentially a 1-car garage on either side of the home. So I don't know, maybe that would work for you. I think it would be okay. And then we'll head upstairs and take a look at the upstairs. So we are up upstairs now, and there's 3 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom. So you've got 1 bedroom here, and then you've got a secondary bath here, and then your laundry room is up here. It looks like they've got newer washer dryer. You've got a nice linen closet. Another bedroom, so bedroom 2. And then your primary bedroom is, it's a nice little bit of separation. I also like this is all open. So this is all open to below, which I think is nice. So primary bedroom here also has the plantation shutters, which is nice. The bathroom might do well with a little bit of a renovation. You do have carpet in the bathroom. Easily changed. It is changeable, but I haven't seen carpet in the bathroom in quite some time. So tub and shower, separate shower. Again, this is something that you could eventually renovate if you chose to. Good sized closet. That looks like a nice big closet. This is a great location. Again, it's Summerlin Center, and we are now going to look at another home in Summerlin, also priced at $625,000. Now we are out at location number 2. We are in the Trails neighborhood of Summerlin. A little bit older, but very well established part of Summerlin. This particular home, also priced at $625,000, was built in 1997. It's 2555 square feet, 5 bedrooms. So this is great if you are looking for 5 bedrooms. 2 of them are actually downstairs on the main level here. So let's go take a look. So we enter here on the main level, and you do have a formal dining and formal living space because, again, older homes tend to have that kind of layout. Here is your kitchen over here, and you do have room for a nice dining table. Actually, I kind of like this. This is kind of neat. A little extra storage here. And then you have your essentially your great room or TV room with a fireplace. I like that it's a 2-sided fireplace. And then, as I mentioned earlier, you've got 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom down here. So I kind of like it if you have maybe an older child at home or a parent. You could have a bedroom on this side and maybe like a private sitting area on the other side, or maybe like a game room or something like that as the extra bedroom down here on the other side. And then, of course, you've got the 3/4 bath. And then upstairs, you would have the primary bedroom and 2 additional bedrooms plus your laundry room. Our last part of the tour, we're going to check out something a little bit different. There's a beautiful building. It's called C2 Lofts, and that also is in Summerlin Center. Great location off of West Charleston, really close to the 215, as well as Red Rock Casino, downtown Summerlin. We're going to go take a look at a renovated residence over there, also priced at $625,000. So now we are at our last stop for today. We are at C2 Lofts in Summerlin Center. I'm really excited to show you this residence for $625,000. Our last stop today here in Summerlin, we are in C2 Lofts, which is a gorgeous building right off of West Charleston. We are in Summerlin Center, so great location. Come take a look. This is also priced at $625,000, and it is just over 2,200 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and you have your downstairs bedroom right here. And this one has its own bath. We also have this beautiful puppy right there. You gotta show the puppy. Look how cute he is. Hi. I feel so bad because he's in there because we're doing this, but when we're done, we'll make sure he gets out. And this has its own bathroom over here. And then I'll show you the rest of the house. Thanks so much for watching our video today on what you can get in Summerlin for $625,000. We looked at 3 great properties today. If you'd like more information, on any of these homes, please visit our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.